Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the United Nations Global Ambassador 11 to Model United Nations. With me, Dula Fauza Rasyas, you can call Mr. Ayas, and coming all the way from Indonesia. Thank you very much. I'm as your General Secretary of the United Nations. The first, ladies and gentlemen, and the Honorable Global Ambassador, I hereby to declare the opening of this United Nations Model Session for the crucial topic issues of addressing global and issues challenges. It is an honor to have you all gathered here today to discuss and deliberate on this pressing issue, the effects of recovery of our planet. The four steps that we need to do. The first one is the United Nations. You have to introduce yourself and mention your country. The second, we do issue scanning. And the third, we do focus group discussions out of this section. And the last one, we celebrate the moment with the celebration of Genesis. Delegate, as I know your country, please welcome your presence. But now I know the absence today is Miss or Mr. Indonesia, right? She's not coming. Okay, Indonesia is absent today, and then Mr. She's absent today. So you are 34. 34 countries region as serve platform to exchange ideas, negotiation, find solution ultimately drive climate change. With Bismillahirrahmanirrahim, now it officially begins to do. Thank you very much.
Give an applause for Mr. Egypt.
مساء الخير أيش موليان أقدم نفسي اسمي رادي مولانا أنا من مصر. Hello everyone, good afternoon. Let me introduce myself. My name is Radit Maulana and I am from Mesir.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. From respective of its country, my name is Muhammad Akamnandar. I am from Ukraine. Thank you for attention.
Thank you. Next.
Kamne Bani Mauri. Good afternoon. Antai Alubon Najoniza Azuri. Ngaibon Kai Kiribati. Korabua.
Korabuat. Thank you.
Hello everyone, good afternoon. I'm here representing the United States. My name is Balkis Maris Gario. You can call me Balkis. Nice to meet you guys.
Thank you for hosting this event. Thank you, Miss Balkis.
Good morning everyone. I am very pleased to meet you all guys. Allow me to introduce myself. I am Desraulia and I'm so happy to meet you guys. Thank you.
We're happy to meet you too. Thank you, Miss from North Korea.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Muhammad Alil Gibran. I am the representative of Malaysia in the UN Global Ambassador Delegation.
Thank you, Mr. Malaysia. Next.
Tejas Wuhao. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Let me introduce myself. My name is Renzaki Akbar, and I am the representative of China in the UN Global Delegation, and I'm from Indonesia. Thank you. Nice to meet you all.
Thank you. The last one.
Minasan, konnichiwa.
Konnichiwa.
Jikusokai o sasete itadakimasu. Watashi to namae wa Fayaru Kamado Putara Punawang. Nihongo deyo shiteimasu. Arigatou gozaimasu.
Arigatou gozaimasu. Give an applause for this region. Thank you very much. 1, 2, 3.
Annyeonghaseyo, Jilum, and Fanhansu, Ibida, Jungan, Hagum, Aso, Yun, Global, Desemida.
Annyeonghaseyo. Give an applause for Mr. Korea.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Charlotte Claire from Brisbane, and I'm from Australia, and I'm from New Zealand. Nice to meet you all.
Nice to meet you. Thank you. Next.
Hola a todos, les habla mi nombre es Freddy Adelia, produce mi mamá Freddy, from Mexico.
Hola, Mexico. FIFA Mexico.
Hello everyone, my name is Octavia Ania. I'm from Canada. Canada is a country located on American continent. Thank you for having me.
Impressive. Thank you, Miss Canada. Next one. Mr. Burundi.
Hello everyone. Hello everyone.
It's okay.
My name is Pinoyo Pradama. I'm from Burundi. This country has natural wealth in Kibiro National Park. With broader priorities, ecotourism. This national park provides safari, thus around Burundi and its neighboring country, Rwanda. Thank you everyone.
Rwanda, thank you.
Adi Zitaramu Ninzonji Raden Alfaras Ramataidina Niromji Komori Riria Nyai
Nye Zimbabwe.
Impressive, Mr. Zimbabwe. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Kembali Udin Nafsi, asli kita dari Wawuna Suudin Banggi, Aibuga,
Shukron. Thank you very much. The last one, Miss South Africa.
My name is Salma. I represent South Africa.
South Africa is coming. Thank you. Give an applause, guys, for this region. Oh, yang mana lagi?
Hello everyone. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Erwan Putra, is Global Delegation from Ethiopia.
Ethiopia is coming. Thank you. Next.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Let me introduce myself. My name is Zuleika as a UN Global Ambassador Delegate from Poland. Thank you.
Thank you, Poland, for coming. Next.
Hello everyone, my name is Bernal Santoso and I will be here as the representative of Fiji Island. Pleased to meet you guys.
Love the confidence. Thank you, Mr. Gilang.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
My name is Abdul Muhammad. I represent President of the Congress of Iran.
Thank you, Iran, for coming. Next one is Mr. Argentina.
Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Rafan Syamsi Akbar and I am from Argentina. Nice to meet you all.
Nice to meet you, Mr. Argentina. Next.
Sugeng Sultan. My name is Muhammad Iqbal, the United Nations Global Ambassador from Suriname. Thank you.
Ya, Tresno Karakue, Mr. Suranam. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Renci Putra Andriata, the World United Nations Global Ambassador from Palestine.
Give an applause, guys, for this region. Thank you very much. Australia.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Today I want to introduce myself. My name is Anselmo Marcos Domingos and I came from Australia. Thank you.
Thank you. Next one is the UAE.
Assalamualaikum. Good afternoon, honorable delegate,
Waalaikumsalam.
distinguished delegates, and esteemed participants. I am Dina Ramadhani, and it is with great pride and honor that I represent the delegation of the United Arab Emirates in this esteemed assembly. تشرفت بالخير. Thank you.
Thank you, Khair. Thank you.
Shalom, let me introduce myself. My name is Nadia Abdadi, the representative of Israel as the United Nations Global Ambassador Delegate from Indonesia. Israel is very famous for its manufacturing industry, which was considered relatively the most advanced in the 1970s. Hayali Ahmad, Mitra
Trial.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi
Waalaikumsalam.
Aismau li'an nafsi Aismi Saliha Ana min al-Saudiya.
Next.
Good afternoon, everyone. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Nisrina Sarifatunisa. I'm here today to represent a splendid nation, one with a rich historical heritage and the distinction of initiating the world's inaugural industrial revolution. I proudly serve as the envoy the United Kingdom. Thank you.
Impressive.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Safwa Maira. Ich bin ein UN-Workbeschäftigter auf der
So, je m'appelle Méziane Azahra, je suis ambassadeur mondial de la France, Ernie.
Zdravkusin, Fazvolte, Pradipishya, Меня зовут Нара Фердоси Вибово, я из России.
Give an applause, guys, from this region. Thank you very much. And the last one.
Assalamualaikum Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Saya marhaba iyi günler. Alim Şifahi Unisa, Türkiye'liyim. Teşekkür ederim.
Thank you, Miss Turkiye. Next one is
Hello everyone, introduction. My name is Indira Sava. I'm here for the country of Vanuatu.
thank you for standing for Vanuatu. Next.
Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. Imelda Kuftawan. I'm from Papua New Guinea. Thank you.
Give an applause for you all, guys. Thank you very much.
But the Russian government does not agree, afraid that NATO will bring weapons to the Ukrainian border so that cities in Russia will be targeted. The solution: I will solve the problem faced in two ways. The first way, I will ask for help from Indonesia to diplomats with Ukraine to create peace, and the second way, I ask for help from China and North Korea for military defense to protect my country when one day the country I was attacked and there was a war.
Unfortunately, Miss Indonesia is not present today, but we have South or North Korea. Miss Desra, do you consider to help Russia to defense?
Yes, of course.
Of course. After this session, you can call or you can meet her, Miss Desra, to do a collaboration. Plus for Russia.
The trouble with energy crisis and economic crisis, and some cities have to live in poverty because of it. The best solution to negotiation is diplomacy with Indonesia and Zimbabwe, as South Africa, and Zimbabwe will provide their resources like oil and gas for Indonesia to represent, and the final products will be supplied maybe will be profit to the economy itself. So our goal is to improve the prosperity of our respective countries from this diplomacy so that there will be world peace.
Thank you. So, Mr. Zimbabwe, Mr. Raden, do you want to help or do you want to do a collaborate with Miss South Africa to solve the crisis energy?
Yes, of course, I will.
Oh, the problem is solved, yeah. Thank Africa. Give an applause for her.
The main problem in United States is the economic cold war between USA and China is an increasing economy. An economic conflict between China and the United States has been ongoing since January 2018, when US President Donald Trump began setting tariffs and other trade barriers on China with goal of forcing it to make change to what the US says are long-standing unfair trade practice and intellectual property theft.
Okay, Mr. Tiongkok, Mr. China, do you agree to work with her to do a diplomacy?
Yes, I agree with her.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Give an applause for the United States of America.
Okay, I will describe the problem or the main issue faced by China. The first one, China economic growth slowed down to the several factors, including a decline in export, changes in the economic structure toward domestic consumption, and zero COVID-19 policy. Another impact of this policy is that China dominates certain industrial sector, and it has been proven now how they are starting to dominate the technology sector. This policy also has an impact on taking foreign investment in China and proven by the many investment restrictions there. And lastly, the solution of this case through international cooperation mechanism. We ask the United States for help by continuing regular economic dialogue through forums such as the US-China Economic and Security Consultative Council. This provides an opportunity to talk about differences and find solutions together.
Thank you, Mr. Tiongkok. Miss United States, do you consider to work with him?
Yes, I will.
Thank you.
Give an applause for Mr. Tiongkok, Mr. Raihan. Thank you, Mr. Yeah.
For the United Arab Emirates, the main problem is the UAE. The UAE is an economically rich country but poor in natural resources other than oil and natural gas.
The unfair research conditions in the UAE hamper agricultural production. The imbalance between food production, income, and urban population growth is placing increasing versus on food supplies. For the solutions, I will resolve the problems by use food diplomacy as a tool to facilitate cooperative trade and agricultural cooperation. The UAE can also enter into trade agreements and development cooperation with donor countries or food producing countries, such as New Zealand.
Okay, Miss New Zealand, time to work with Miss UAE
Yes.
to solve the crisis.
Yes, I will.
We can start together. Thank you, Miss UAE. 3, go.
Main issues. The problem faced by Australia is security to avoid military threats because Australia is located in the strategic Asia-Pacific region and has an important role in maintaining regional security. Military threats from neighboring countries such as China and North Korea can endanger Australia's security. The solution to overcome Australia's security threats by increasing military cooperation with several countries and increasing cooperation in the field of military training to increase military capabilities and strengthen Australia's national defense, and that's why military strength alliance is needed. Thank you.
You mentioned about the Chinese or the North Korea. Which one?
North Korea.
Miss Desra, do you consider your time again to
Yes.
work with Mr. Australia
Yes, I will help you.
to more defense? Thank you, Mr. Australia. Give an applause for him.
The ideology that Israel addresses is the Zionism, which has led to the division of political territory between two countries, namely Israel and Palestine. Zionism ideology is an ideology adopted by the state of Israel to establish a special state for the Jewish people by fighting over the Palestinian territory and making Al-Aqsa Mosque their place of worship. The solution is I will resolve the problem by negotiating a peaceful pact between Israel and Palestine with the whatever condition and law will be agreed upon by both parties concerned. Thank you.
Thank you, Miss Israel, Miss Nabila. Mr. Palestine, do you agree to build up the agreement of the freedom or the peace? For the peace between two countries? Really?
Israel.
Okay, give an applause for Palestine. Mr. Palestine. Let's make peace. Thank you, Miss Israeli.
Germany has mountains multitude by beetles. Main issues. Forests in the Harz Mountains appear to be increasingly decimated by bark beetles. The rise of tail beetles in forests that are drying out due to the climate. In the lower state forest of Saxony in the Harz Mountains, near coastal Salford, Germany. These beetles produce much more larvae than usual in dry forest trees and warmer winters due to the phenomenon of global climate change. Michael Muller, head of forest protection, said that his party will still think 100 times before using pesticides to eradicate beetles because of the dangerous environmental side effects. The main solution. Lobby can be one solution to overcome the problem of the Harz forest, which is attacked by bark beetles in Germany. Private cooperation and asking China for technological assistance to eradicate bark beetles.
Thank you.
Thank you for Mr. Ayas for giving me the opportunity to speak. What I would like to discuss is the social issues with the South Korea. Lack of people, realization, both countries have surface and limit relation between their countries, which depends the divisions and mistrust. The resolution, the issues between North Korea and South Korea will require and diplomacy and strong international cooperation. It will also necessitate the commitment of both parties, the achievement peace and agreement that can bring an end to the long-standing conflict.
Thank you. Please have a seat, Miss North Korea. Give an applause, guys, for this section. Thank you very much. Who is the grand winner of the Simulation Nation?